Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2017 Jaguar XE, and we're going to go over how you would open the hood. So to start with, you'll need to go to the driver's side door and we pull the lever, and then we'll come back out here and open the hood. So you open up your driver's side door, and right down here is the lever to pull to unlock the hood. And with the safety latch unlocked, then we will be able to, right here straight up above the emblem, there is a little latch in there. We're going to move that to the left. This latch right here, we move it to the left, and what it does is it opens up this actuator and this actuator to unlock the hood to be able to be raised. And that's how you would pop the hood and be able, so that you can get inside the engine bay and do the work that you need to inside. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.